these shrimp. The tasting part is the best part, you know. Amazing. I'm so happy. Hello, so we are in the kitchen now and we are making these shrimp rice or shrimp biryani. For this I have taken half a kg of shrimps and I have deveined it. I have cleaned it thoroughly and I have added paprika powder. I have added turmeric powder as well as I have put a little bit of black pepper powder and salt. Now to this I am going to add apple cider vinegar. This gives a good taste. So for every seafood which you make, you always have to add something which is citric. A little bit of onion seeds, so it gives a good flavor to your shrimps. So I am mixing all of this very thoroughly. I'll be adding this clarified butter, a bowl of clarified butter to this, a little bit of oil to this, put a few cloves, a stick of cinnamon, onions, finely chopped onions, and I'm going to bring these all together very nice and very heavy. Let these onions become a bit translucent. Keep frying till it becomes a little translucent. I enjoy cooking a lot and actually I don't know that much cooking, but whatever I make turns out to be really tasty and my methods of cooking is always very simple. So I like to make simple things and with all the ingredients which are readily available. But I'm a big foodie. I love to eat a lot and for that is why I decided that I should even learn to cook and I should make it, and luckily for me the food which I cook turns out to be tasty. I'm so happy for that. The onions have turned translucent. I will add all the prawn mixture which we just prepared into this. Now I have added all the shrimps into this. The mixture which we had just prepared, remember that you have already added salt to this. So do not add too much salt otherwise your preparation will be too salty. Now just for the sake of it, I have already boiled this rice halfway. I have not completely boiled it. I have boiled it halfway and this is half cooked rice, but I have boiled it in 2 cups of water. These are 2 cups of rice. I have boiled it in 2.5 cups of water, and in the boiling water I have put some oil. You can even add butter or oil or clarified butter, whatever is available with you right now. And I have added some cloves and a cinnamon stick to it for fragrance. Add some salt also to this rice and cook it halfway. Don't cook it completely. The rest of the cooking will take place along with the prawns, along with the shrimps which you're cooking right now. So let the shrimps cook. See, look at this. Look at the color. Oh my god, this is really looking delicious. I'm loving the fragrance. Wow, it's really feeling as if I am near the beach right now. Let's cover it and cook it. Hey guys, now see, I have made a paste of ginger and garlic over here. So at this stage I'll be adding this ginger garlic paste into my shrimp. So see, look at this, it's simmering away and it's looking awesome. It's smelling awesome because of all those spices which we used. So the shrimps are halfway done. At this stage I will be adding some tomatoes. We have to chop them like this in roundels, like this. Two small potatoes, I have chopped them in cubes and I have fried them with a little bit of salt. So this goes inside now. So I'll be putting all of this over here. some fried onions. I have fried this myself. You can even buy this from your supermarket if it is available. This tastes really awesome. Now at this stage you can add a little bit of salt to get a little flavoring for your shrimp rice, and a squeeze of lemon. I've just used half a lemon over here, and I'm squeezing out all the goodness, and it tastes really awesome. Believe me, it tastes really good. Now at this stage, half cooked rice which I have already prepared, I am going to add this at this stage. We will be putting all the rice to it. Now at this stage, I will have to add some of the clarified butter because the cooking will go on right now and the rice has to be fragrant, and I have to see to it that on the top of this stew it should be really fragrant. Remember, all the shrimp is underneath the rice, okay? So I'll make a small dent over here and I'll put a little bit of water so that everything cooks well right till the end, till inside, and keep the lid over it so that it gets cooked with its own fragrance. All the fragrance should be trapped inside, it shouldn't go out. So yes, we'll wait for another 10 minutes and it will be done and we can have it. Let's do something new today. I am going to show you a very important thing which is the need of the hour right now. Yes, it is about the eyebrows. I'm going to teach you all how to do your eyebrows at home with the things which are available readily at your home. No, I'm not going to suggest you any electronic gadget or buy something. No, I'm not going to say all that to you. You just have to need a few things which are available at your home, like a thread, scissors, comb, a brush to brush your eyebrows. So you have to just brush your eyebrows and see the thickness. Just look at the thickness of it. After that, just cut away which you think is there. Remove all the extra hair. Take a thread, cut off a piece of thread this much. It should be of this much length at least, and tie it together like this. You have to tie it like this. Okay, now you've tied it. This is how your thread should look, and you have to roll it like this towards your end, like this. Okay, so now it has become like a scissor. So now look at my eyebrows. Wherever you see extra hair, you have to take the thread like this and shape your eyebrows like this. And even on top of your forehead. So you can just go about everywhere, wherever you see extra hair, just remove the hair like this and keep going like this, both the eyebrows, and make it look. So once one eyebrow is done, you can just brush it up like this, or you can even use a comb also, to brush it. You can just use a comb to brush it up like this and cut the extra hair off. And if you have a small tweezer, you can remove the extra hair with the plucker. We have pluckers, so we can just use the plucker to remove the extra hair. So the next eyebrows, I am going to do the next one like this and clear out all the extra hair till the forehead, and look at this. See, with the plucker, no, you know what a plucker it looks like this. So with the plucker you can just remove the extra hair. Wherever you see extra hair, you can just remove it. So the next eyebrows, I am going to do the next one like this and clear out all the extra hair to the forehead. Yes. And then again you can brush it, like comb it with your small tooth comb, or you can use this small brush and you can comb your eyebrows like this and cut off the extra hair like this from the front too. And here goes, your eyebrows are completely done. And you're again looking tamed and beautiful. Yes. So do this and let me know if you have done it successfully. At least try it. Over the time you will be successful and you will be a pro in it. Look at this, guys. Look at this. Add a few chilies over the top. If you love spicy, do not use it if you don't want to. Yum, yum. This is looking amazing. Wow, look at this. I love this already. I'm so happy. Now I am going to taste this. Yes, the tasting part is the best part, you know. Oh wow, look at those shrimps. They're really pink in color. I have chopped some mangoes. These are finely chopped salad, tomatoes and onions. So I'll be tasting this and I'll let you know how it tastes. So here goes. Amazing. The fried onions, the taste of the prawns is spread in the rice and amazing. I love it. This is so good. I just can't explain you how tasty it is. And a little bit of tomatoes along with it. Guys, you should try this. This is amazing. It's super amazing. It will make your day as it has made mine. Thank you. I'll soon come up with some hair care tips. Be simple, be stylish, and keep yourself happy all the time. Bye-bye.
Hey, hope you enjoyed this video. Give me a thumbs up quickly. Subscribe to my channel and stay connected. Share with your family and friends. Let me know what you think in the comment section below. Until next time, keep it simple, Simply City.